How to connect Character AI to Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you on how you can add your Character AI to Discord. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Character AI application and Discord application on your mobile device. And make sure that you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, first of all, go ahead and open your Character AI application. Then after, go ahead and tap on Share Character in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and find Discord. Once you find it, tap on it. And here you can go to any Discord server or chat and share it over there. Tap on Send. So that's it. If you have any issues, contact the help and support teams for Character AI on Discord. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.